Hi everyone. In today's video we will know about Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Early life. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on the 2nd of October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, was a Diwan, chief minister, of Porbandar. His mother, Putlibai, was deeply religious, which greatly influenced young Gandhi. Gandhi went to London in 1888 to study law and became a barrister. Life in South Africa. Gandhi went to South Africa in 1893 to work as a lawyer. He experienced racial discrimination firsthand, being thrown off a train at Pietermaritzburg for refusing to leave a first-class compartment. This inspired him to fight for the civil rights of Indians living in South Africa. He developed the concept of satyagraha, nonviolent resistance, during this time. Return to India. Gandhi returned to India in 1915 after spending about 21 years in South Africa. He joined the Indian National Congress and soon became its most influential leader. He advocated for self-rule, Swaraj, social reforms, and the removal of untouchability. Major movements led by Gandhi. Champaran Movement, 1917, fought for the rights of indigo farmers in Bihar. Kheda Satyagraha, 1918, protested tax collection during famine in Gujarat. Non-Cooperation Movement, 1920-1922, urged Indians to boycott British goods, schools, and courts. Salt March, Dandi March, 1930, protest against the salt tax, a key part of the civil disobedience movement. Quit India Movement, 1942, demanded an end to British rule in India. Principles and ideals. Ahimsa, non-violence. Gandhi believed in resolving issues through peace, not violence. Truth, Satya. He considered truth the ultimate reality and aim of life. Satyagraha, a method of non-violent protest to achieve political and social goals. Simple living. He promoted simplicity, self-reliance, and rural development. Religious tolerance. Gandhi respected all religions and worked for Hindu-Muslim unity. Role in India's freedom. Gandhi united people from all walks of life, rich and poor, Hindus and Muslims, men and women, in the freedom struggle. His non-violent campaigns put moral pressure on the British government. He inspired movements across the world, Martin Luther King Jr. in the US. Death. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated on the 30th of January 1948 in New Delhi by Nathuram Godse, who disagreed with Gandhi's views on religious harmony. His death was mourned worldwide. Legacy. Gandhi is called the father of the nation in India. His birthday, the 2nd of October, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti and as the International Day of Non-Violence by the UN. His principles continue to inspire leaders, movements, and common people globally. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to GK with Prima for more such informative videos.